Okay, number 7, a topographic map provides details about Emery Peak in Big Bend National Park. A radio tower on Emery Peak is indicated. So here is Emery Peak. It's a small circle right there, and there's the radio tower, the dot. So you can tell, the key tells you that, radio tower. It says contour interval is 10 meters. That means the distance and elevation that you're going up is 10 meters. So going from that line to that line would be up 10 meters, and then 10 more and 10 more. So based on the topographic map, if a park ranger hiked due west from the radio tower, the ranger's path would. So first of all, let's look at our compass. Due west, this is west. So what they're saying is if the park ranger hiked that way, okay? And it says they would cross a canyon with a river running through it. They would cross another peak in the park. They would be flat and then go up a steep slope, or they would go down a steep slope and then become flatter. So what they're testing you on here is do you know what kind of land it is based on the lines, based on the contour intervals, how much space is between the lines. So if you look right here near the peak, you can see these lines are really close together. That means it's changing 10 meters every single line. So that's a lot of elevation change there. This would be steepness of a cliff. So the side, it would look more like a cliff, like this on the side. Okay? And then these lines, as you get over here more west, they start to spread out more, which would mean more like, they start to kind of level out a little bit. So if you're over here, and you're on this radio tower, right? That's a radio tower. And you hike that way to the west, you're going to go down a steep cliff, and then it's going to level out some, right? And we know this again because the lines are really close together when it's steep like a cliff. And usually near the top of peaks, it's going to be pretty steep. That's just the way mountains kind of are. But the key here is the lines. They're being a little bit close together here and then much farther apart. So these are a flat slope here, over here, and then this steepness here, these lines that are really close together would be more like this. Okay? So your answer choice here would be D. Go down a steep slope and then become flatter.